Coaches, have you ever felt disappointed and discharged of energy coming out of sales calls? Have you ever felt somewhere happy inside when prospect cancelled the scheduled sales call? Today we are going to discuss how you can move from drained to paid in the sales calls, three shifts that coaches can make that can turn their sales calls into cash conversations. Right? My name is Yashasvi from Divine Success Flow, and today we are going to prove how sales is sacred when served powerfully and sell boldly, right? So tired of soul draining sales calls that lead to your prospects say, let me think about it, I'll let you know, not now, right? So you're not alone. Most coaches walk into sales call with good intention to help other people, but walk out drained, discouraged, or doubting their decision to even become a coach, right? Why? Because you are doing it backwards. Because sales is not a game of getting a yes from the prospect. It's all about filtering out the wrong fit and filtering in the right fit who are saying that, like, how can I work with you? Where can I pay? And confidently letting the fake ones go. So here are the three spiritual and strategic shifts to turn your sales calls into money making machines. Shift 1: qualify like a king. Push away boldly and respectfully, right? So if you are here to help everyone, I should warn you, you will end up broke and you might even burn out spending time not getting rewarded, right? Remember, you are not a firefighter or rescuer, you are a coach, you are an empowerer and enabler, right? And that starts with qualifying people. On every sales call, you will ask yourself this question: is this prospect hungry for results? Are they ready and committed to solve their problems more than protecting their money in the accounts? And be bold to say that, hey, this may not be for you, and that's completely okay, right? So I work with best people who are done playing small and are ready to invest in fast results. Does that sound like you? And if you do this, trust me, you will stop chasing. You will attract the right decision makers and you will be positioning with power. So, shift 2: diagnose deeply. Don't overdose your prospect with coaching. Enough of proving yourself, start uncovering the truth, right? Most coaches, when they go on sales calls, either they end up coaching, teaching, or helping them solve everything they will do other than selling. You got to leave the coach outside when you are in the sales call, right? How this will end up is the prospect will have some dopamine in his head. He will go away happy rather than taking decisions and being invested, right? So rather do this, be like a doctor, go deep, show them the cost of staying stuck, emotionally undeniable. So ask these questions: what's this struggle really costing you in terms of your income, right? How is it taking away your energy, your relationships? What is the impact? If nothing changes in next 6 months, where will you be, right? When you do this, the prospects will feel the pain of inaction, and the it will present the urgency to invest and get skilled and come out of it, right? Shift 3: unsell them. Create tension and close with authority. See, you are the authority, you are the king here. They need you more than you need their money. How do you identify a real buyer? Like, they will convince themselves and you why they need your help to succeed in their life or win in their life. Rather, you will be able to see broke mindset people who don't want to take decisions. You will end up doing convincing and giving them strong reasons why they should sign up for your coaching services, right? And the ultimate power is to unsell them. Yes, take any clue that will tell them that and you want them, right? Because when you position your offer as a privilege, not for everybody, only for privileged ones, you will not plead. You will increase the power of offer by doing this. You can say this: I'm not here to convince, I don't work with everyone. In fact, I would rather not have you join unless you are 100% ready to commit and show up and win, right? That creates a tension, and tension creates clarity, right? They rise or retract. If you do this, you close with confidence and pride. No begging, just decisions happening in the call. So finally, sales calls are not about closing, they are about qualifying, clarifying, and commanding a commitment from them. Say yes, say no, right? Don't be on the fence, it pains. So when you learn to filter, diagnose, and unsell, you don't chase clients. Clients starts chasing you. Like you are the prize, not anything else. So are you ready to turn your sales calls into 3 to 5 lakhs per month sales machines? I'll show you how you can do this in the webinar to sales called high ticket system that is helping a lot of coaches with Divine Success Flow get 15 to 20 high qualified appointments every week and 2 to 3 high ticket closes without wasting hours on social media and marketing. You are not a marketer, you are here to become a expert coach, right? Message me, call, and I will show you exactly how you can achieve this. See you next time. Bye bye.